Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, lived animals, big and small, where they'd play. From the towering elephant to the tiny ant, each had a role, each had a chant. Let's start our tale with a big and mighty roar. From the lion, king of the jungle, we adore. With a mane so grand and a presence so tall, he ruled the savannah, standing proud and all. Next to him was a creature, small but spry, a little ladybug, flying high in the sky. With tiny wings and colours so bright, she danced with joy, from morning till night. In the depths of the ocean, so wide and deep, lived a whale, the ocean's majestic keep. With a body so big it could touch the sky, it swam with grace as it passed by. But in the same sea there was a sight to see, a little fish no bigger than a pea. With scales so small and eyes so round, it swam with joy, without a sound. In the forest's green, where the trees stood tall, lived a bear, big and strong, ruling over all. With paws so large and a growl so loud, it roamed the woods feeling proud. But amidst the trees there was a sight to see, a little squirrel, as small as can be. With a fluffy tail and tiny feet, it climbed with skill, so neat. On the open plains where the grasses sway, lived a giraffe, so big, so they say. With a neck so long, it reached the sky. It nibbled on leaves, oh so high. But in the same land there was a sight to find, a little mouse with a twitch of its behind. With whiskers so small and a nose so pink, it scurried around, faster than you'd think. In the barnyard where the animals dwell, lived a horse, so big you could hear its bell. With hooves so strong and a mane so fine, it galloped with grace in a straight line. But in the same barn there was a sight to see, a little chick, as small as can be. With feathers so fluffy and a peck so light, it chirped with joy at dawn's first light. In the meadow green, where the flowers bloom, lived a bumblebee, buzzing with a zoom. With wings so big, it flew from flower to flower, collecting nectar, hour by hour. But in the same field there was a sight so small, a little ladybug, no bigger than a ball. With spots so red and wings so bright, it fluttered around in the sunlight. As the day turned to night and the stars shone bright, all the animals, big and small, said good night. For in this world, both big and small, each had a place, one and all. So, as we end our tale, let us remember that in this world, big and small, we all have a splendour. With each creature unique in its own way, we bid you good night until the break of day.